Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a space of ultimate convenience and efficiency? In this video, we're showcasing 14 incredible Amazon kitchen must-haves that will make cooking, cleaning, and organizing a breeze. These gadgets are not just practical, but also stylish additions to any modern kitchen. Check out the links in the description to grab these amazing products and start upgrading your kitchen today. And before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome product recommendations. Let's get started. Mug warmer. Starting with a game changer for all coffee and tea lovers, the mug warmer. Imagine never having to sip on lukewarm coffee again. This 36-watt coffee mug warmer keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours. Its sleek design fits effortlessly on your desk or countertop, making it perfect for work-from-home setups or cozy mornings. Whether you're catching up on emails or enjoying a good book, this mug warmer ensures your beverage stays warm until the last drop. Coffee maker. Next, we have the 3-in-1 coffee maker, a must-have for busy mornings. This versatile appliance is compatible with coffee pods, ground coffee, and even tea. With a sleek design and compact size, it fits perfectly into any kitchen. The intuitive controls make brewing your favorite beverage quick and easy. Whether you're in the mood for a robust espresso or a soothing cup of tea, this coffee maker has got you covered. Say goodbye to long coffee shop lines and hello to barista quality drinks at home. Gooseneck kettle. For all the tea enthusiasts and coffee connoisseurs out there, the gooseneck kettle is a game changer. With its precision spout and adjustable temperature controls, it gives you full control over the brewing process. Perfect for pour-over coffee or steeping delicate teas, this kettle ensures you get the best flavor out of your beverages. Its ergonomic handle and sleek stainless steel design make it as beautiful as it is functional. Whether you're hosting a tea party or enjoying a quiet morning, this kettle is your ideal companion. Pasta maker. Why settle for store-bought pasta when you can make your own with this incredible pasta maker? Designed for simplicity and efficiency, this roller pasta machine allows you to customize the thickness of your noodles. Whether it's spaghetti, fettuccine, or lasagna sheets, the pasta maker delivers consistent professional results every time. With its durable build and smooth operation, making fresh pasta has never been this fun or easy. Elevate your cooking with the taste of homemade pasta. Smoothie blender. Whip up delicious smoothies, protein shakes, or even sauces with this personal smoothie blender. Its powerful 1000-watt motor ensures smooth, creamy blends in seconds. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for quick breakfasts or post-workout snacks. The easy-to-clean design and durable blades make it a favorite among busy individuals. Whether you're blending fruits, veggies, or even ice, this blender is your ultimate kitchen companion. Mandolin slicer. Cut down your prep time with this professional mandolin slicer. Whether you're slicing potatoes for chips or shredding veggies for a salad, this gadget delivers consistent, precise cuts every time. The adjustable thickness settings let you customize your slices, while the sturdy, slip-resistant base ensures safety. It's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking but wants to save time and effort. Say goodbye to uneven slices and hello to perfection. Sponge holder. Keep your kitchen sink organized with this clever sponge holder. This compact and stylish caddy features a smart drainage system that prevents water buildup, keeping your sponges and scrubbing pads dry and clean. The durable material ensures it will last for years, while its sleek design blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. If you're tired of clutter around your sink, this gadget is a simple yet effective solution to keep things tidy. Waffle maker. Make every breakfast special with this stainless steel waffle maker. It features deep, non-stick plates for making thick, crispy waffles that are golden on the outside and fluffy on the inside. With adjustable temperature controls, you can make your waffles exactly how you like them, soft, crispy, or somewhere in between. Whether it's a weekend brunch or a quick weekday breakfast, this waffle maker turns every meal into a treat. Food steamer. Steam your way to healthier meals with this 2-tier food steamer. It's perfect for cooking vegetables, seafood, or even rice, all while preserving their natural flavors and nutrients. The stackable design lets you steam multiple items simultaneously, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Its dishwasher-safe lids and trays make cleanup a breeze, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Salt and pepper grinder combine functionality and elegance with this wireless charging salt and pepper grinder. This 3-in-1 gadget not only grinds your seasonings to perfection, but also features a rechargeable battery for long-lasting use. With its sleek design and easy operation, it's the perfect tool to elevate your dining experience. Say goodbye to manual grinding and hello to effortless seasoning. Popcorn maker. Take your movie nights to the next level with this deluxe popcorn maker. Its hot oil stirring system ensures every kernel pops perfectly, creating delicious theater-style popcorn at home. The built-in storage and compact design make it easy to store, while the transparent lid doubles as a serving bowl. Whether it's for family movie nights or entertaining guests, this gadget is a crowd pleaser. Citrus juicer. Freshly squeezed juice has never been easier with this rechargeable electric citrus juicer. Its efficient motor extracts every drop of juice from your fruits, while the rechargeable battery adds convenience. Compact and portable, it's perfect for making orange juice at home or on the go. Enjoy a healthy and refreshing start to your day with this handy gadget. Egg cooker. Cook up to 6 eggs at once with this rapid egg cooker. Whether you prefer soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or poached eggs, this gadget makes it quick and easy. The compact design fits neatly on your countertop, and the included accessories make it versatile for a variety of recipes. Perfect for busy mornings, this cooker is a lifesaver for egg lovers. Breakfast maker. Start your day right with this innovative breakfast maker. It combines multiple functions in one compact appliance, letting you cook eggs, toast, and more simultaneously. Perfect for saving time on busy mornings, it ensures you get a complete, delicious breakfast with minimal effort. These 14 amazing kitchen gadgets are designed to make your life easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. Don't wait, check out the links in the description to grab them for your home today. And if you love discovering useful products like these, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!